Hi friend, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Sia, and I hope you people are doing great and learning this language gratefully. And in this video I am going to talking about if you understand English, then why do not speak? When we see friend, when we start our English journey, so we think that I am able to speak in 1 month, 2 months, but this is a journey. You tell me that how do you learn your native language? Only listening and you learn only 1 month, 2 month? No, there is a language and this is a language. So if you learn this language, so you give your time. Don't think that I'm fluent as soon as possible. It's depend on our mind. Okay. If some or everyone's mind work in different way. Someone speak this language 3 months, someone speak this language, they fluent in this language 6 months, someone 1 year. So it's depend in our mind, and also it's depend in how much time you give in this language. Okay, you give if you give in this language in a day 3-4 hours, so it's working in different way. If you give in if you not have so much time and you give in a day 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so it's take time. It is too hard. If you hear this it is to listen this, it is hard, but it is the real thing. If you give time, so you can get fluency as soon as possible. Okay, see friend, when we start this journey, so we are very hurry. We think that I am fluent as soon as possible. We only think like this, but what happened friend, we are not give effort in this journey. Okay, in my case also, when I am start my English journey, so I'm also thinking like this. I'm thinking that I am fluent as soon as possible, and 2-3 months I'm not doing practice. Then I realize if I'm not doing practice, so I'm not fluent in this language. So when you start your journey, you can start practice in day one. Okay, because what is our purpose? Speak this language. Forget about listening, writing, reading. If you have no so much time, so if you forget 1-2 days like reading, writing, but don't forget speaking. Okay, you can speak 15 to 20 minutes daily basis. Okay, because our purpose is this speaking, so you can practice as much as you can. Okay, if we practice and we speak and also think in English. Yes, it is hard to think in English because we always think in Hindi, and if someone's different language, so they think in their language. And if we convert thinking in English, so it is hard. Okay, if someone tell any Hindi word or whatever your language, so you think in your mind what is the word in English, how to uh, create the sentence in English. Okay, you can convert in your mind. Okay, and also learn vocabulary daily basis. Learn uh, 10 to 15 words daily basis. Okay, if you speak this language and you learn, you know uh, all the rule, grammar rule, you can know tenses and all this. But if you not have vocabulary, so how you create sentence? We know everything, but if we